Good morning, students. In previous class, we are discussing about sequence and series. You know the definition of sequence as well as series are arrangements of numbers in a definite order that is known as sequence. Now, for example, in general, A1, A2, A3, and so on, A and R sequences. Add all things. Now it's a sum. A1 plus A2 plus A3 and so on, AN. That is known as series. Okay. Then there are two different types of sequences, two different types of progressions, namely arithmetic progression and the other one is geometric progression. Now define arithmetic progression. The difference between any two consecutive terms is always constant. That is known as arithmetic progression. That constant term is called common difference and it is denoted by the letter small letter d. Okay. In general, if A is the first term and D is the common difference of arithmetic progression, then the general form of arithmetic progressions are A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D and so on, of which last term, its nth term is A plus n minus 1 into D. That is known as last term of arithmetic progression, that is nth term of arithmetic progression, which is denoted by Tn or An. Okay. Therefore, Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay. Whereas to find the sum to n terms of arithmetic progression, let Sn denote the sum of all terms of arithmetic progression. After simplification, the sum of n terms of arithmetic progression, which is denoted by Sn, is equal to, what is the formula? N by 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. Based on the sequence and series and based on the arithmetic progression, to solve some more problems. Now we have problem number 3. That is the question. Find the indicated terms in each of the sequences whose nth terms are given. Nth term is given. Now to find that indicated term, what are the indicated terms? To find A17, to find A24. Each question carries 1 mark. Important sum. They will ask in final exam. Now here, look here. First one, given An is equal to 4n minus 3. Very simple question. Find the indicated term. It means to find A17. Therefore, A17 is equal to, put n is equal to 17. That is 4 into 17 minus 3. That equals 4 into 17. 17 4 are 68. Correct? Minus 3. That is 65. So, A17 value 65. And find A24. Put n is equal to 24. 4 into left value 24 minus 3. 24 4s are, that is 96 minus 3. 96 minus 3, that is 93. Okay. Whereas second question, nth term is given data An is equal to n square divided by 2 power n. Now find indicated term. Now they find A7. Put n is equal to 7. N is the 7 substitute 1. N of 7 square divided by 2 power 7. 7 square is 49. 2 power 7. 2 power 5 is 32. 2 power 6 64. 2 power 7 is 128. So A7 value 49 divided by 128. Okay. Whereas similarly third question, nth term is given. An is equal to minus 1 power n minus 1 into n2. Now the question, find A9. Put n is equal to 9 minus 1 power 9 minus 1 into 9 power 3. That equals minus 1 power 9 minus 1 is 8. 9 power 3 means 9 into 9 into 9. So minus 1 power 8. Index is given number. Negative number to the power of given number is plus 9 into 9, 81. 81 into 9. 9 ones are 9, 9 eights are 72. That is 729. That is equal to 729 into 1. 729. Okay. Whereas fourth one, nth term is given, an is equal to n into bracket n minus 2 divided by n plus 3. Find A20. Put n is equal to 20. A20 is equal to, put n is 20. 20 into 20 minus 2 divided by n value 20 plus 3. That is equal to 20 into 20 minus 2, 18 divided by 23. 18 into 20, 18 2s are 36, that is 360 divided by 23. So A20 value 360 divided by 23. Whereas fifth problem, if an is given, an value n minus 1 into 2 minus n into 3 plus n. Find A20. Put n is equal to 20. N value 20. Substitute ಮಾಡಿ. That is 20 minus 1 into 2 minus 20 into 3 plus 20. Put n is equal to 20. That is 20 minus 1, 19. 2 minus 20 how much? Minus 18. 20 plus 3, 23. That is minus, multiply A19 into 18. That is 8 1 are 8 plus 7, 15, 9, 1, that is 2, 14, 3, 42. Into 23. Multiply by 23. 6, 12, carry 1, that is 10, 4, 8, 6, 6, 6, 8, 7. That is minus 7, 8, double 6. So A20 value minus 7, 8, double 6. Each question carries 1 mark. Most important they will ask in final exam. Okay. Problem number 4. Find the first 5 terms of each of the sequences and obtain the corresponding series. To find the 5 terms of the sequences and to find sum of all sequences, that is known as series. Okay. Now here first problem. A1 is equal to 3. First term is given and n term is given. An is equal to 3 times an minus 1 plus 2. Condition, take the number n which is more than 1, not less than 1, more than 1. Totally to find 5 terms. First term is given, to find remaining 4 terms. Now where n is more than 1, n number ಯಾವುದು ಕೊಡಬೇಕು? 1 ಗಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿರತಕ್ಕಂತ ನಂಬರ್ ಯಾವುದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 2 3 4 5 like that. Now here take n is equal to 2. Don't take n value 1 because the condition that n should be more than 1. Take n is equal to 2. A2 is equal to n value 2. Put n value 2. A3 into A2 minus 1 plus 2. That is 3. A2 minus 1 is 1 plus 2. That is 3. The value of A1 is given. That is 3 plus 3 3s are 9 plus 2, 11. So second term A2 value 11. Next n is equal to 3. Put n is equal to 3. A3. 3 into A3 minus 1 plus, that is 3A. 3 minus 1 is 2 plus 3. A2 value is 11, right? Plus 11 3s are 33. 33 plus 2, 35. Okay. Take n is equal to 4. A4 is equal to 3A4 minus 1 plus, put n value 4. 4 minus 1 plus, that is 3A. 4 minus 1 is 3 plus, that is 3. The value of A3 value is 35, right? Plus 2. 35 3s are 3 5s are 15, 10 1 3 9 plus 1 10. 1 or 5 plus 2. That is 1 or 7. Correct? Next, put n is equal to 5. Because to find 5 terms, put n is equal to 5. A5 is equal to A5 minus 1 plus 2. That is 8. Now here 3A5 minus 1. 3a 5 minus 1 plus 2. 3a 5 minus 1 is 4 plus 2. That is 3 into. What is a4 value? A4 value is 107, right? Plus 2. That is 107 plus 2. 3 into 107. That is 321 plus 2. That is 323. Okay, we want 5 terms. Therefore, 5 terms of the sequences are: first term, that is a1 is 3, second term a2 is 11, third term is a3 is 35, fourth term is 107, and fifth term is 323. These are the sequences. Also, obtain the corresponding series. Therefore, the corresponding series are: in 1/2 add this 3 plus 11 plus 35 plus 107 plus 323 and so on. This is corresponding series. Okay? Whereas second question, first term is given, a1 is equal to -1. And n term is given, an is equal to an minus 1 divided by n. Condition n should be more than or equal to. Take the number n, that number n is more than 2 or equal to. Now take 1 by 1 term, take n is equal to 2 because 2 is equal to 2. Okay. Now put n value 2. 2 substitute करने पे a2 is equal to a2 minus 1 divided by n. That is a2 minus 1 is 1 divided by n, but the value of n is here 2, right? So a1 by 2, but the value of a1 is minus 1 divided by 2, right? Next, take n is equal to 3. a3 is equal to a, put n is 3. 3 minus 1 divided by 3. 3 minus 1 is 2 divided by 3. But a2 value minus 1 by 2 divided by 3. 3 can be written as 3 by 1, right? If you take multiplication, that 1 goes to numerator, that 3 goes to denominator, 1 by 2 into 3, 6. Next, take n is equal to 4. a4 is equal to a 4 minus 1 divided by 4. That is a 4 minus 1 is 3 divided by 4. a3 value here 1 minus 1 by 6 divided by 4. 4 can be written as 4 by 1. If you take multiplication, that 1 goes to numerator, that 4 goes to denominator. That is 1 by 6 4s are 24. Minus 1 by 24. Take n is equal to 5. a5 is equal to a5 minus 1 divided by 4. That is a4 divided by 4. But a4 value minus 1 by 24 divided by 4 is same as 4 by 1. That is minus 1 by, that 1 goes to numerator, 4 goes to denominator, 24 4s are 96. We got 5 terms. Therefore, 5 terms are, first term is minus 1, second term is minus 1 by 2, third term minus 1 by 6, fourth term minus 1 by 24, fifth term minus 1 by 96. Therefore, its series, corresponding series are, add all those things, minus 1 plus minus 1 by 2 plus minus 1 by 6 plus minus 1 by 24 plus minus 1 by 96 plus and so on, so many numbers, right? This is corresponding series. Okay, whereas third question, third problem, here we a1 is equal to 2, a2 is equal to 2. Let me convert together. a1 value is 2, a2 is also 2, right? And an is equal to, here term यहाँ define ಮಾಡಿದನ, an is equal to an minus 1. Condition n should be more than, take the number n which is more than 2. More than 2 number, take 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. Now first number take n is equal to 3. because the condition n should be more than 2. Don't take n value 1, don't take n value 2. Already first and second will not given, right? Take n is equal to 3. A3 is equal to A3 minus 1 minus 1. That is A. 3 minus 1 is 2 minus 1. That is. But the value of A2 is 2 minus 1. That is 1. So we got A3. Then take n is equal to 4. A4 is equal to, put n is 4. A 4 minus 1 minus 1. That is A. 4 minus 1 is 3 minus 1. But A3 value 1 minus 1, that is 0. Because A3 value is 1. Right? A3 value is 1. Okay. Then take n is equal to 5. A5 is equal to A5 minus 1 minus 1. That is A. 5 minus 1 is 4 minus 1. So that is equal to, but A4 value, what is A4 value? A4 value is 0 minus 1. That is minus 1. Right? We got 5 terms. Therefore, 5 terms are, first term is 2, second term is also 2, third term A3 is 1, fourth term 0, fifth term minus 1. Then it's a series. Corresponding series are 2 plus 2 plus 1 plus 0 plus minus 1 plus and so on, so many terms. Okay, this is 5 sequences and corresponding series. Clear, students? Similarly, fourth problem. Here fourth problem. Fourth problem. A1 value given 1, A2 is also 1, A1 is 1, A2 is 1, and an is equal to an minus 1 plus an minus 2. Condition, take the number n which is more than 2. More than 2 क्या बोलते हैं? n is equal to 3 तो बोला ना? Okay, put n is 3. A3 is equal to A3 minus 1 plus A3 minus 1. That is A3 minus 1 is 2. A3 minus 1 is 1. That is. But A2 value is given 1. A1 value is also 1. 1 plus 1. So A3 value is, right? Then put n is equal to 4. Next number, take n is equal to 4. Put n is equal to 4. A4 is equal to A4 minus 1 plus A4 minus 1. Right? That is simplify. A4 minus 1 is 3. A4 minus 2 is 2. Okay. So A4 is equal to A3. What is A3 value? 2. Plus A2. What is A2 value? That is given 1. 2 plus 1. 3. Right? Next, take n is equal to 5. A5 is equal to A5 minus 1 plus A5 minus 1. A. 5 minus 1, 4. A5 minus 2 is 3. Therefore, A5 is equal to A4. A4 value 3. A3. That is A3 value. A3 value is 2. So that 3 plus 2, 5. We got 5 terms. Therefore, 5 terms are. First term A1 is 1. Second term is also 1. Third term A3 value 2. Fourth term A4 value 3. Fifth term A5 value is 5. Its corresponding series. Series are 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 5 and so on. Also find an plus 1 divided by an. Now here a5 plus 3 plus 3 is 5. Now you take one more term. In one term take according. Take n is equal to 6. If you take n is equal to 6. Now if you take n is equal to 6, what happens? A6 is equal equal to a6 minus 1 plus a6 minus 1. Right? That is a6 minus 1 is 5. a6 minus 2 is 4. That is a6 is equal to a5. a5 value 5 plus a4 value is 3. 5 plus 3, 8. Now one more term, a6 value a5 is 5, a6 value is 8. Now second part, also find an plus 1 divided by an, where n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put n is equal to 1 to find an plus 1 by an. Put n is equal to 2 to find an plus 1 by an. Put n is equal to 3 to find an plus 1 by an. Similarly, n is equal to 4 as well as n is equal to 5. Oh, now also one more question. Also, it would be find an plus 1 divided by an, where n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now take n is equal to 1. a1 plus 1 divided by a1. That is a2 divided by a1. Right? But the value of a2, what is a2 value? 1. a1 value? 1. So that is 1 divided by 1, that is 1. Then take n is equal to 2. Put n is 2. a2 plus 1 divided by a2. That is a3 divided by a2. Yes. What is a3 value? a3 value is 2. Right? Divided by a2 value is 1. Using previous result to find an plus 1 by an. So a3 value is 2. a2 value is 1, 2 divided by 1, that is 2. Then take n is equal to 3. a3 plus 1 divided by a3. Okay, that is a4 divided by a3. What is a4? a4 value is 3. What is a3? a3 is 2. So n is 3, a4 by a3 value 3 by 2. Then take n is equal to 4. a4 plus 1 divided by a4, that is a5 divided by a4. 4 plus 1 is 5. But a5 value, what is a5? 5 divided by a4. a4 value is 3. Right? And finally, n is equal to 5. a5 plus 1 divided by a5. Put n is equal to 5. a5 plus 1 by a5. That is a6 divided by a4. What is a6? a6 value is 8, right? a5 value is 3, a5 value is 5, 8 by 5. So 5 numbers are 1, 2, 3 by 2, 5 by 3, 8 by 5. Yes, friends? Okay. So one more problem, that is fourth one is 4 and fifth one. One more problem. So fifth problem is a1 is equal to 1 and an is equal to an minus 1 plus 2 for all n should be more than or equal to 2 to find 5 terms and corresponding series. Okay. Now take the number n, that n number should be either more than 2 or equal to 2. So take n is equal to 2. Don't take n value 1 because the condition n should be more than or equal to 2. Take n is 2. a2 is equal to a2 minus 1 plus 2. That is equal to a. 2 minus 1 is 1 plus 1. But a1 value 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2, 3. Right? Next, take n is equal to 3. a3 is equal to a3 minus 1 plus 2. That is a. 3 minus 1 is 2 plus 1. What is a2 value? a2 value 3 plus 1. That is 5. Take n is equal to 4. Put n is 4. a4 is equal to a4 minus 1 plus 1. That is a. 4 minus 1 is 3 plus 1. What is a3? a3 value is 5 plus 1. 5 plus 2, 7. Take n is equal to 5. a5 is equal to A5 minus 1 plus 2. That is A. 5 minus 1, 4 plus 2. What is A4? A4 value is 7 plus 2, that is 9. Okay. We got 5 terms. First term 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Therefore, 5 terms are first number 1. A1 is 1, A2 is 3, A3 is 5, A4 is 7, A5 is 9. These are the sequence and corresponding series are add all series 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 and so on. These are the corresponding series. Here students, okay, most important, do work hard. Okay, so observe 2 to 3 times you do and write all those things. Okay. Next problem number 5, based on the arithmetic progression. Okay, problem 5 almost based on arithmetic progression. So look here, the question, find the sum of odd integers, only odd positive integers from 1 to 2001. Only take positive odd integers from 1 to 2001. Okay, so what are the odd integers? Now here odd integers from 1 to 2001 are first number 1 odd integer, then 3, then 5, then 7, then 9 and so on. Last number is 2001. 2001 is odd from 1 to 2001, not between 1 to 2001. So these are the odd integers. Now the question, to find its sum, you ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನು add ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ calculate ಮಾಡಿ. To find the sum of all odd integers from 1 to 2001. How to calculate? You can apply sum to n terms of arithmetic progression. Look here, identify whether that is given sequence, is it in arithmetic progression or not. First check it. Clearly it is arithmetic progression because first term is 1. What is common difference? Now difference of those three is 2. Here difference is 2. Here difference is 2. Here difference is also 2. Here it is in arithmetic progression. Here first term denoted by a value 1. Common difference D. How to calculate common difference? Second term minus first term, or third term minus second term, or fourth term minus third term, isn't it? So second term minus first term, 3 minus 1, that is common difference. Now this is 2001 is the last term. That last term is denoted by an or tn, right? Now first to find number of terms, after that to find the sum. So we know that to calculate number of terms, you know the formula. Nth term of arithmetic progression denoted by an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. That is the formula. Substituting the value, this implies what is an? An value 2001 is equal to a value 1, n value don't know, you have to calculate n only, n minus 1 right as it is. D, what is D? D value is 2. Simplify 2001. Take 1 on left side. Minus 1 is equal to 2 into n minus 1. Even is equal to 2 into n minus 1. Simplify 2001 minus 1. 2000 is equal to 2 of n minus 1. Right? Now divide both sides by 2. Here 2 in the divided money. 2000 divided by 2 is equal to n minus 1. Implies 2 ones are 2000. So 1000 is equal to n minus 1. Therefore n is equal to 1000. Take minus 1 on left side plus 1. So that n is equal to 1001. n means what? Number of terms. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಈ 2001 ಎಷ್ಟೇ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅದು 1001 term is 2001. We got that value, but the question is to find the sum. ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? Again, you know the formula. Sum to n terms of arithmetic progression equation denoted by Sn is equal to what is the formula? N by 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Right? Or we can write another formula n by 2 is equal to Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus l or a plus an. Both are same. Where an value a plus n minus 50, an value a plus n minus 50, that is a plus a, 2a plus n minus 50. Both are same. Right? Now, yes, to find the sum, n value 1001 is equal to n value 1001 divided by 2 into bracket a value 1, first term is 1, an, last term a value 2001. Right? Simplify 1001 divided by 2 into 2002. 2 ones are 2000 ones are. That is 1001 into 1001. So 1001 into 1001 multiply after simplification 100, 2001. This is the sum of 1001 terms. One, that is 1 lakh 2001. 10 lakh 2001. 100, Clear, students? First to find number of terms. After that to find the sum of all terms. Similarly, next question. One more problem. What is it? Problem number 6. Find the sum of all natural numbers between 100 and 1000. The word between 100 and 1000, which are multiple of 5. Andre 100 ಮತ್ತು 1000 ಒಳಗೆ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. ಆ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಇರಬೇಕು? which are multiple of 5 ಟೇಬಲ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು to find the sum ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೊಡ್ಸೆ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Now here the natural numbers, set of natural numbers between 100 and 1000, which are multiple of 5 are ಅಂದ್ರೆ 100 ಮತ್ತು 1000 ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಆ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಹೇಗಿರಬೇಕು? 5 ಟೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಯಾವುದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ 100 ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ 100 ಮೇಲೆ 1000 ಒಳಗೆ 101 ತಗೊಂಡು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. is it 101 divided by 5 exactly ಬರುತ್ತಾ? no. take 102 102 divided by 5 no. take 103 divided by 5 no. 104 divided by 5 no. 105 divided by 5 yes. 105 divided by 5 divided by 4 that is 5 ones are 521 are. So first number is 105. Next number multiple of 5 and put it at 5 add ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡಿ. 110 150 divisible by 5. Next 120 divisible by 5 and so on. Last number 1000 ಇದೆ. don't take 1000 between 1000 ಇದು line ಇದರ 5 s ಮಾಡಿ 995. These are the natural numbers which are multiple of 5. Now the question to find the sum. Now first to find number of terms. This is first term. First term is 105. Second term is 110. Third term is 150. Fourth term is 120. Now what about 995 is the which term? Is the term? We don't know. First you have to calculate number of terms. How to calculate? Here first term a value 105. Common difference. How to calculate common difference? Second term minus first term, right? 110 minus 105. How much? That is 5, right? And last term is given. an is given or tn is given 995. Okay. Now to find number of terms, you know that nth term of arithmetic progression formula a plus n minus 1 into d, right? Substituting the value. What is an? 995. What is a? 105. Then we don't know what to calculate. N minus 1. What is d? D value is 1. Okay? Simplify. 995 take 105 on left side. Then you can over minus 105 is equal to n minus 1 into 5. Right? Simplify 995 minus 105 0 9 8 10. Correct? 8 10 is equal to 5 into n minus 1. Divide both sides by 5. 890 divided by 5 is equal to n minus 1. So 5 ones are 5, remainder is 3, that is 39. 5 sevens are 35, remainder is 4, 45 8s. So 178 is equal to n minus 1. Therefore, n is equal to 178. Take minus 1 on left side plus 1, that is 179. Our estimator below 179th term is 995. Now to find the sum. Therefore, Sn is equal to, you know the formula, n by 2 into a plus an or 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Yes, n value 179 is equal to n value 179 divided by 2, right? Into bracket a, what is a value? 105 plus an, last number is 995. Okay, simplify. So yes, 179 is equal to 179 divided by 2 in 105 plus 995. 5 plus 5 10, carry 1, 9 plus 1 10, carry 1, 9 plus 1 10 plus 1 11. 2 ones are 2, 5 50s. So that is 179 into 550. Multiply 179 into 550. After multiplication, that is 98450. So this is sum of natural numbers between 100 and 1000, which are multiple of 5. Clear, students? Okay. Now here, based on again arithmetic progression, to solve some more problems in next class. Okay? Thank you, students.